Good evening, everyone. How are you? We are here in our little home, little house here in Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. And look at the neighbor's Christmas light. So beautiful. Look. Wow. Our neighbor's Christmas light. Beautiful. This is my little garden here. Oh look, there's a cute cat. Want to get inside. And I don't know this cat, maybe our neighbor's cat. And digging food. Yeah? Hungry? Gutom? Gutom ka na naman? Hungry? Where are you? Where are you going? Look at the moon. Asking food? Begging food? Hungry? Okay. I'll feed. I want to feed this. Mag-away ha. Look at my cat. Don't fight. Don't fight. I'll get the food. The Whiskas, the cat food. Here's the cat food. Mm.